HPCL has entered into a strategic partnership with Restaurant Brands Asia Limited, the master franchisee of Burger King in India, to expand quick-service restaurant outlets across select fuel stations and highway retail locations in India. Under the agreement, Burger King outlets will be developed at high-traffic HPCL retail fuel stations and bayside amenities located along major highways and key urban corridors. State-owned mining and power generation major NLC India Limited has successfully raised 500 crore rupees through the issuance and allotment of short-term debt instruments. The corporate fundraiser was executed through the deployment of commercial papers. Industrial manufacturing giant BEML Limited has secured a fresh commercial victory abroad. In a late evening disclosure to the stock exchanges, the state-run Defense and Heavy Engineering Corporation announced a $5.35 million, approximately 44.6 crore rupees, follow-on export order from the Middle East. In a significant push towards strengthening India's renewable energy infrastructure, the Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has officially invited bids for a mega balance of system tender. The project involves the design, engineering, supply, excluding PV modules, construction, erection, testing, commissioning, and maintenance of a 70-megawatt ISTS-connected solar PV power project paired with a 25-megawatt/50-megawatt-hour battery energy storage system. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited has announced the appointment of Shri Anupam Agarwal as its new Chief Financial Officer, effective immediately. The decision was formalized during a Board of Directors meeting held on June 25, 2026. Agarwal, who currently serves as the Director Finance at ONGC, will take over the crucial financial portfolio from the outgoing CFO, Shri Yogesh Nayak S. As India prepares for higher steel demand and industrial growth, NMDC is accelerating investments in mining infrastructure to expand production capacity and improve operational efficiency. A major milestone in this journey is the construction of the 7 million tons per annum screening plant 2 at the Donimalai mining complex in Karnataka. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited achieved another key milestone in India's indigenous defense manufacturing program with the keel laying of the 4th next-generation offshore patrol vessel under Project 06 for the Indian Coast Guard. The keel laying marks an important stage in the vessel's construction and reflects the steady progress of the NGO PV program being executed by MDL for the Indian Coast Guard. Rajesh Kumar Chandel, Director Projects of SJVN Limited, held a series of meetings with senior officials from India's power and water sector institutions to discuss the company's growing project portfolio and future expansion plans. During the interactions, he met with Ghanshyam Prasad, MG Gokhale, and Rakesh Kumar from the Central Electricity Authority. India's largest power producer, NTPC Limited, has announced the incorporation of a wholly owned subsidiary, NTPC Mauritius Energy Limited, marking a significant step in the company's international renewable energy expansion strategy. The new subsidiary was incorporated in Mauritius on June 26, 2026, following earlier disclosures made by the company in December 2025. In a notable development for India's power sector, Dipesh Nanda, the former managing director of Tata Power, has been shortlisted among 18 candidates for the prestigious position of chairman and managing director of NTPC Limited, the country's largest power generation company. Nanda's entry into the fray brings valuable private sector experience to a role that has traditionally been held by senior public sector executives.